Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Sport Vanguard series offers high-performance pickleball paddles tailored to various playing styles through 3 distinct models: Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, and Vanguard Control. Each paddle leverages advanced materials and technology, including carbon fiber construction, 360 degrees proto-molding, and a flex foam perimeter designed to deliver elite-level precision, power, and durability. The Vanguard Power Air caters to aggressive players seeking maximum power and spin. It features Selkirk's aerodynamic throat and edgeless design, enhancing aerodynamics and swing speed. With a high-friction carbon fiber face, it delivers superior spin control while maintaining pop and power. The Vanguard Pro strikes a balance between power and control, appealing to all court players. It uses Selkirk's QuadFlex 4-layer hybrid face technology and combines it with an elongated shape for better reach and follow-through. This paddle is a versatile choice for intermediate to advanced players who want both touch and strength. Meanwhile, the Vanguard Control is crafted for precision and finesse, offering a softer feel on contact thanks to the X5 honeycomb core. Its T700 raw carbon fiber face enhances dwell time, giving players exceptional control and shot placement. This model suits strategic players who focus on placement, dinking, and net play. All Vanguard paddles incorporate 360 degrees proto-molding for uniform paddle construction and added strength, and flex foam perimeter which expands the sweet spot while absorbing vibration. With USA Pickleball approval and premium build quality, Selkirk's Vanguard line stands out for innovation, tailored performance, and reliability on the court. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is designed for players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort. Tailored especially for intermediate-level athletes, this paddle merges Head's renowned engineering with affordability and performance. Built with optimized tubular construction, OTC, of polypropylene honeycomb core and a composite hitting surface, the Radical Elite delivers enhanced feel and consistent play across the face. The surface ensures excellent touch and solid ball control, helping players confidently execute spins, drops, and drives. The Ergo Grip handle provides superior comfort with a tacky, cushioned feel, reducing vibration and fatigue during long matches. The paddle's extended grip length supports two-handed shots, ideal for players transitioning from tennis or those needing extra maneuverability. Weighing in at around 8.1 ounces, the Radical Elite is a mid-weight paddle, offering a balanced mix of power and control without straining the arm. The paddle's 15.88-inch length and 8.25-inch width contribute to a generous sweet spot, increasing forgiveness on off-center hits. A standout feature is its bold Radical series graphics, combining style with performance. Whether you're playing competitively or for fun, this paddle performs reliably in both indoor and outdoor settings. Trusted by pickleball enthusiasts for its value, the Head Radical Elite is USAPA approved and suitable for tournament play. It's an excellent choice for players looking to level up their game with a paddle that's responsive, durable, and stylish without breaking the bank. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a highly popular and versatile pickleball paddle, well regarded for its superior touch, control, and responsiveness. Designed for both intermediate and advanced players, the Mod Z5 features a graphite carbon fiber face paired with a Nomex honeycomb core, offering a perfect blend of power and finesse. This construction ensures quick ball response and a lightweight feel, ideal for fast volleys and quick wrist action at the net. Weighing between 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the paddle strikes a balanced middleweight range, offering excellent maneuverability without sacrificing stability. Its wide body shape, 15.5 inches by 8.125 inches, provides a generous sweet spot, helping players make consistent contact with the ball even on off-center hits. One of its standout features is the cushion comfort grip, which enhances overall handling and reduces fatigue during long matches. The grip is perforated and moisture-absorbent, offering excellent traction and comfort in all playing conditions. The Z5 is USAPA approved for tournament play, making it a reliable choice for competitive athletes. Its edgy Z5 logo design and variety of color options also appeal to style-conscious players. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 delivers outstanding value with professional-grade performance, combining touch, power, and control in a lightweight yet durable design. Whether you're a beginner seeking control or an experienced player wanting fast-hand action, the Z5 remains one of the most trusted and recommended paddles in the sport. Number 4. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA 3S series of pickleball paddles is a high-performance lineup endorsed by pro player Ben Johns, crafted for players seeking top-tier quality and playability. These paddles feature a raw carbon fiber surface, offering excellent grip on the ball for enhanced spin control and precision shots. Designed with input from professional athletes, the lineup includes various shapes like Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, each tailored for unique playing styles, whether you prefer elongated, wide body, or arrow curve configurations. Available in 14mm and 16mm core thicknesses, the paddles balance power and control. The 14mm version delivers faster pop and aggressive play, while the 16mm core enhances control, feel, and forgiveness, ideal for softer touches and consistent placement. The polymer honeycomb core enhances durability and reduces vibration, ensuring a comfortable grip and reduced fatigue over long matches. Every paddle is USA Pickleball Association (USAPA) approved, making them tournament legal for competitive play. The carbon surface also ensures long-lasting friction, maintaining spin capabilities over time. Designed with an ergonomic grip and reinforced edges, the JOOLA 3S paddles are both player-friendly and professional-grade. Whether you're a seasoned player or an aspiring competitor, the JOOLA 3S lineup delivers spin, stability, and strategic control, letting you customize your gear based on your style. The combination of raw carbon fiber, optimized shapes, and professional insights make these paddles a premium choice for high-level performance. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is designed for players of all skill levels, offering a vibrant design paired with high-performance materials to enhance gameplay. Featuring a fiberglass surface, the paddle delivers excellent power and responsiveness, allowing for dynamic shots and accurate ball control. This surface provides a solid pop off the paddle face, ideal for both aggressive players and those focusing on precision. At its core, the paddle uses a lightweight honeycomb polymer, which reduces weight while maintaining a strong and consistent feel. This construction balances power and control, making it suitable for beginners refining their skills and professionals seeking consistent performance during competitive play. One of the standout features of the Tangerine paddle is its bold, eye-catching color options, which add personality to the court without compromising function. It's USAPA approved, ensuring it meets the standards required for official tournament play. The paddle includes a comfortable cushioned grip, designed to minimize hand fatigue and improve handling during long matches. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, contributing to better control and shot consistency. With its durable construction, vibrant aesthetics, and all-around playability, the Tangerine pickleball paddle is a smart choice for those looking to upgrade their gear without breaking the bank. Whether you're new to the sport or an experienced player, this paddle offers a solid blend of power, accuracy, comfort, and style, making it a reliable companion on the court. Its USAPA approval and premium materials also make it suitable for both recreational and competitive use.